Hey, what's up Theremin people? So you got your Theremin where you want it to be, and the first thing you're going to need to do is to tune your Theremin. What you're going to want to do when you tune your Theremin is you're basically going to adjust the range of each of the different sets of notes. So I'm using Carolina Eyck's tuning method here, where basically these two different hand shapes, whether it's fully closed or fully open, is going to produce the range of one single octave. So I've got this full octave. I want to have the next octave when I pull my hand close to my body. And then I also want to have another octave when I extend my hand towards the antenna. So one thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to set my first note to be a C. And everything else is going to spin off of that C, right? So I've got C here, the next C up, then C lower, and then from there I got the C higher. I'm going to be using like kalimba just because I just got this instrument, I'm playing around with it, and it's got C built into it. What you'll notice is on every theremin there's a pitch knob, and that pitch knob is going to be the one that you're going to adjust to make the tone range wider or smaller. So I'm going to go ahead and tune my instrument. You can play along if you want. There you go, that's all it takes to tune your instrument. And now you've got your 3-interval range from bringing your hand close to your body and then your hand close to the antenna. I hope this helps out in your theremin playing sessions. Remember to hit subscribe below and check out some of my music. Thanks, appreciate you.